Hey guys, today in this video I review on RH Trio Connect to Trio wireless earphones. Please watch this video till the end and please like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Still among the best looking Trio wireless earphones you can buy. If you are familiar with Scottish audio brand RHA, you will know that its products are for British audio fleas and any more looking for insight, fullness and detail rather than base and attack. Unlike many other priest brands, RHA has adapted to the needs of consumer and it launched its first true wireless earphones last year. The RHA True Connect is among the next looking and best built true wireless headsets you can buy, but falls a bit short when it comes to sound quality. The successor to those earphones the is now here. The RHA True Contact 2 is priced 12,999 rupees and offers the same excellent design and build quality as before, but there are also improvements in the specifications and features. Does all of this translate to better sound quality and an improved overall experience? Find out in a review of the RH Trio Connect 2. The RH Trio Connect 2 is beautiful and well built. I will always liked how RH earphones have looked, and the RHA Trio Connect 2 is no different. The aesthetic has not changed much when compared to the RHA Trio Connect and different different aesthetic has not changed much with compared to True Connect, and that a good thing. The headset is available in two colors, blue and black, and both have a dual matte finish that looks sportish and understand is, in my opinion, as before. There are stems extending downwards from the earpieces for the microphones, and the earpieces did not. Unlike with the original tube connector, these are all silicon air strips with no foam options. Or USB Type-C charging cable is also including. A big difference in the design of the RHA True Connect 2 is that the button on each earpiece has been replaced with a haptic touch sensor. A single tap on either side plays or pauses music. A double tap skips to the next track. Triple tap skips to the previous track, and a long press invokes the default voice assistant on your smartphone. The controls are easy to use and work well, but there is no way to control volume, no hair through mode, and no app. The app for customization RHA gone for simplicity here. The charging case of the RHA 2 Connect 2 is the impressive as the one on the predecessor, with the metal lid matching a matte finish on the body piece, cutouts for the earpieces, and a USB Type C port at the bottom. Usually, usefully, the charging contacts on the earphones earpieces are not on the stems, which makes for a proper latch with few chances of issue with charging. This is quite easily among the best looking charging cases for true wireless earphones that you can buy today. But RHA simplicity driven approach, there is nothing fancy like wireless charging here.